natural disasters and climate change on the Event Channel, you are welcome. Today, May 3, 2023, devastating floods are hitting Quebec, Canada hard. Terrible floods in Canada, Quebec caused damage within a few rainy days. Hundreds of Quebec residents have evacuated their homes as local crews scramble to repair critical infrastructure, after flooding hit several communities in recent days, and authorities say they expect more rain. Quebec Public Safety Minister François Bonnardel urged Baie-St-Paul residents to be patient while repair teams work on local roads and water-damaged stretches of freeway. Today, the municipalities of Baie-St-Paul in Charlevoix and St-Côme in Lanaudière launched emergency measures due to flooding, flooded roads, destruction of infrastructure and significant damage to houses. Quebec Provincial Police say firefighters did their best and attempted to evacuate and save people from their home in Saint-Urbain, in the Charlevoix region of Quebec before they were unfortunately dragged into the water. In addition, according to Tuesday's update, the Quebec police announced that the investigation is ongoing and that several drones as well as divers are among the rescue team. Indeed, the police tried to give hope to the families of the firefighters lost during the salvage operations. Subscribe for more videos and informations. Goodbye.